Hey there, bread lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy no-knead artisan olive oil bread right in your own kitchen. Trust me, this recipe is going to change the way you think about homemade bread. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1¼ cups of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Simple, right? Now in a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. Give it a good mix to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Next, pour in the warm water and olive oil. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to mix until a shaggy dough forms. Don't worry if it looks a little messy, that's part of the charm of no-knead bread. Once your dough is mixed, cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Let it sit at room temperature for 12 to 18 hours. Yes, you heard that right. This long rest time allows the dough to develop a deep, complex flavor without any kneading required. After the dough has rested, it'll be bubbly and doubled in size. Lightly flour your work surface and gently turn the dough out onto it. Now fold the dough over itself a few times to shape it into a round loaf. Be gentle, we don't want to knock out all those beautiful air bubbles. Place your shaped dough onto a piece of parchment paper and let it rest for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and place a Dutch oven or heavy pot with a lid inside to heat up. When the dough is ready, carefully remove the hot Dutch oven from the oven. Use the parchment paper to lift the dough and place it into the pot. Cover with the lid and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until the bread is golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. And there you have it. Your very own homemade, no-knead artisan olive oil bread. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing in to enjoy that perfect crust and tender crumb. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy baking! And remember, there's nothing quite like the smell of fresh bread filling your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.